toy.
Yeah. Head toy.
Head toy.
E-toy.
Hey, Ted.
Head toy.
Hindi ako walang ito nga.
Wala.
Ted. Tingnan niyo Maya.
Wow.
Hi.
Wala
Wow. This is cute, Tiff. I like it. Yeah.
She
because
wore
it's
that-
red again.
She wore that last night.
I did not.
Christmas Eve.
I like it. It is cute.
Hey, I thought you would like it.
Oh.
Camping shoes.
Ang ano, kailangan
I
magka-curves
know
na.
your jumper.
Is that workout shoes? Is that for working out?
Yeah, for curves. It says curves.
Running din natin.
Thank you.
Ay, 6 ka, di ba? 6 ka. Sige na, kapatid.
Tama, mag-enroll na ako sa LA Fitness. Hindi sa curves.
LA Fitness.
Sa LA Fitness. Yung bagong LA Fitness doon.
Yeah. From Tito
Kasya, kasya ba?
Yes. Tito Pen. I like it. Yeah. Alam ko, kasya sa'yo 6 ka eh. Alam ko. Buksan mo yung binigay namin.
Suotin ko na dito sa bahay.
Puro red ang ano mo ah. Favorite niya yan. I know.
Gusto
Ako
niya red.
babagsak ko lang eh, kaya puro red ako.
Bakit sino namatay?
Father niyan.
Ayan lang, kay ano, kay Kayan. Nabutan na.
Hindi na nakauwi.
Manila. I know.
See what they say.
Ano lang, manipis lang.
Curves. Curves.
It is not.
No reduction! Sino nagbigay?
I can sleep with you now.
Oh, it's a story that you belong. You
That's what it is.
can sleep with me now. You can sleep with
Now you can be quiet now.
Sino nagbigay sa kanya ng
Ay, hindi. May panloob ka na lang.
May panloob ka na lang.
No,
How about it?
We'll get you a medium. Yeah.
Yeah. Change it.
Oh, yeah. Change.
I still have the receipt. Yeah.
Yeah.
Baka sa shuttle niyo pa papal.
No, you can get anywhere in Macy's.
Thank you.
Lahat
Siya ka na, wala pa trabaho.
suotin mo na.
Oh, you know my size. It's a large. Perfect. It's cute. I like it.
Oh, I like that.
Really?
Yeah,
You like it?
I like it.
Yeah,
And it's a large. It'll fit me.
What was that?
Oh,
another one.
from our school. Yeah. Ito Ruben naman. Ito from the area.
Are the slippers? I like those.
Oh, another slipper.
Oh, another shoes again.
Terno siya, oh.
And they match.
Thank you.
Ito yung baka manalo dali.
Last ticket, ah.
May ano yung loto. Aba, malay mo.
Good luck. There's more in there too.
Win up to 1,000.
Oh, I like this. Yeah. Oh, I like this.
Oh,
Wow,
another
back
bag.
again.